Leave a like to this video, this will help me a lot, and thank you so much for this. Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to another car project on this channel. Before we start, subscribe and like this video, in this way I will know you want to see more videos like this. First, I need to say thank you to the owner of the car because accept to make this video. In this video you will see a Volkswagen Golf MK1 on BBS restoration project. Before was like a normal Golf MK1 from factory, but with some age because it's an old car. Because of this, I need to say congrats to the owner of the car. I appreciate these guys because he invests money and passion on these old cars. Restore entire car and now looks fantastic. New exterior, new color, new coilovers, new rims, new engine. Everything on this car was restored.
Secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. Hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
Set my heart on fire.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. Bye bye and see you next time.